Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am going to give you an update on my travel pillow saga. If you have watched some of my previous videos on this channel, or if you follow me on TikTok, you will know that I have spoken about this several times. I have issues with my travel pillow. Last time I was traveling from South Africa to Toronto, I left my travel pillow on the airplane from Johannesburg to Amsterdam. And I only discovered this when I was boarding the plane from Amsterdam to Toronto, and obviously by then it was too late to do anything about this. This was an issue, not only from a physical comfort perspective, but from a, kind of a mental health thing. As an autistic person, I have certain things that have to be just kind of so. They have to be a certain way. Otherwise, I am anxious and, just nothing feels right. And that travel pillow was one of them. It was not just a functional item. It was a comfort item. Like people have a favorite blanket. Kids will have their favorite teddy bear. Like this was a thing that I had to have with me just because it felt soothing and comforting and familiar. So losing that travel pillow was a huge loss because it had taken me so long to find one that was comfortable and comforting in the first place. And so ever since I've gotten back from that trip, I have been on Amazon and in stores looking for something that would work. And I knew this was going to be difficult because even if I get a travel pillow that is physically comfortable, I would have to deal with the fact that it's not that one. It's like, a coffee mug, for instance, perfectly functional. A mug is a mug. But every morning I have to have my first cup of coffee in a specific mug. Why? Because it's just the way it has to be. It was the same thing with that travel pillow. There is also a sensory element to it. I have extreme sensitivity around my neck. I cannot stand anything being kind of tight to my neck. You will never see me wearing a turtleneck. And most of the travel pillows that I have tried since I came back from that trip have just come too close to being tight around my neck, and I cannot stand that. So just as an example, I'll show you this travel pillow that I got before I traveled, I guess about a year or so ago, because my son needed one, so I got this one for him. When you look on Amazon, most of the travel pillows are very similar to this one. You put it around your neck and it's just, I immediately feel like as soon as I try to sort of do this with it, I immediately feel claustrophobic. And it just doesn't work for me. So I went onto Amazon earlier this week and I told myself that by hook or by crook, I'm going to find a travel pillow that I think will be comfortable. I don't remember where I got my previous travel pillow. It was not on Amazon because I remember inspecting it and examining it and kind of trying it on before I purchased it. So it was not on Amazon. And of course, that is the problem with buying from Amazon, is that you only know if you're going to like something once you receive it. But I went onto Amazon, and you guys, I think, I haven't opened the package yet. We're going to open it together. I think I have found a travel pillow that is identical. Not similar. I think it is identical. I think it is the actual same kind of travel pillow that I lost. So here's hoping. Let us open this package. So that is it in the packaging. Same color. It's got the micro beads in it that the last one had. So we are going to take it out and try it on. Please let this be the right travel pillow. I will be so happy if this travel pillow works. I am going away in November, and I have been so anxious about the idea of not having the right travel pillow. So that is it out of the plastic bag. You guys, this does look identical, and I'll show you why I like it so much. Just going to get all of the packaging off of it. Okay, so it's not quite the same as the last one, but I think this can work. I feel like the last one was just a little bit longer than this one, but you guys, I think this can work. It's got micro beads, so I can kind of adjust where it's kind of puffier and where it's narrower. And I don't feel I don't feel that sense of claustrophobia that I have with the other one. And something I really like about this is that this strap here is adjustable, so I can move this clip anywhere I want to on that strap. So if I have this pillow on, I can clip it like that, so it's still kind of attached and it's not going to fall off, and I can even tighten it a little bit, but it doesn't create that sense of tightness around my neck. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I found it. Yay! I am so happy. I know it's just a travel pillow. It probably seems like a stupid thing to most of you, but this is big. This is a big thing for me. So I am going to use this just when I'm sitting at my desk doing my work, because I've got to break it in. It's still not that pillow that was so familiar and comforting to me, but I think I can get there. I think I can get to the point where this becomes a comfort item. I am so happy that I found this. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.